Hey guys, Dr. K here, and welcome to Pickleball Paddle Reviews by regular people, where we go out to the courts and we ask everyday pickleball players just like you for their honest, unfiltered feedback on the latest paddles. Guys, today I'm super excited. My new Ethos Arte paddle just came in the mail, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and share my initial reactions, and I'll do a quick visual comparison between the Arte and some of the other more popular paddles. So the Arte paddle comes with just some basic packaging, nothing special, just a bunch of bubble wrap and some rubber bands. But I do have to say this, right? As soon as I held the paddle in my hand, I knew I was working with a totally different type of paddle. The balance is different than any other paddle I've ever held, and it actually feels more like a ping pong paddle than a pickleball paddle. The paddle face itself seems to feel a lot smaller. But when I went ahead and compared the paddle face to the sizes and dimensions with some other popular pickleball paddles, I was in for a big surprise. Now, where I play in Lithia, Florida, the most popular paddle on the court near me is the Engage Pursuit paddle. In fact, many of the members of the club that I belong to make an annual pilgrimage there to go ahead and buy a bunch of paddles. When I did a visual comparison of the two paddles, I was really surprised at how similar the paddles were. They're both 16mm paddles, so as you can see, the thickness is about the same. The big surprise for me was that at a glance, it seemed or it felt like the Engage paddle would have a significantly larger paddle face or paddle surface. But when you compare the paddles, when you put the paddles on top of each other, you can see that the sizes of the paddle face are pretty much the same. And some of the area where the Arte eliminated the face area is not even a location where you'd hit a ball anyway. And I had the same experience when I compared the Arte to the Agassi Pro. At a glance, it seems like the Agassi Pro has a lot more paddle face, but when you compare them, the paddle faces are about the same and the thickness is about the same. I think they are 16mm paddles. And the same was true for the Selkirk Lux. The paddle face area was about the same, and they're about the same thickness. Now, in our next few videos, you'll get some feedback from some regular everyday pickleball players just like you, and you'll hear from them how they feel the Arte compares to the pickleball paddles that you saw here today. Subscribe to get these videos.